welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some DIY toothpaste tabs. So carry on watching and we'll get started. So the first thing I've got is 4 tablespoons of coconut oil in a bowl. It is fairly soft, so if yours is a bit solid, just pop it in the microwave probably about 5 seconds. And into that, I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda and 1 teaspoon of sweetener. So this is like a stevia alternative I'm using. Next and final ingredient I'm going to add is 1 teaspoon. I'm using a peppermint extract. You can actually use a oil here. The reason I'm using an extract is everything is safe to eat, so at least if I do manage to accidentally swallow any of this, it's not going to be harmful to me. So a teaspoon of that. And then I'm going to give it a little whisk to combine it all. So that's looking nice and fluffy. I'm just going to use the spoon I used to measure out my peppermint extract and just give that a final stir. So it's like a paste that you want, which is all good. Yep, so that's a brilliant consistency there. And I'm just going to clean off my whisk attachment and then I'll show you how we fill the mould. This is a mould I've got off eBay, a little square mould. We'll try and link below the mould that I'm using, just like an ice cube tray. And I'm just going to pop my mix into this and then spread it out. Carry off scraping everything out of my bowl and giving it all pushed down into my mould. Mixture into my mould. I'm just going to pop this onto our kitchen windowsill, which is tiled, so it's going to be nice and cool, and just let them set up so they will firm up. So once that's done, I'll pop them out of the mould and pop them into a container. Now I've got a little sauce jar here and I'm going to pop them in that to keep them airtight. And to get them out, I'm going to use a little wooden spoon, so I'm going to leave that in my jar. So I will pop a picture now of what the finished product looked like. Do hope you enjoyed this video and you'll give this a go yourself. It's only a 4-ingredient one, so it is quite easy to do, and something I've found has helped whiten my teeth since I've been using it. And it's all natural, which I completely love, and all food safe, so you know there's nothing nasty going inside it. Thank you for watching, and please do give this a like if you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to click subscribe and the bell notification below so you don't miss out on any future videos that I upload. Thank you for watching. Bye!